Jai Hind everyone. I am NCC cadet from One Gujarat CTC camp. My name is Cadet Kevin Prajapati. I am from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. Today I am talking about the concept of 4 Rs. In environment, the concept of 4 Rs are reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Nowadays waste management systems are referred for residential, industrial, urban and rural areas. The order of 4 Rs applications is important to solve the solid waste management problem. Application of the 4R principles helps in substantial savings in terms of money, time, pollution, waste, and energy. Application of different principles in our day to day life. First is reduce. The best way to keep solid waste out of the waste stream is to reduce it at source. Reducing the waste at the source means to only buy what we really need, so there will be no waste to treat. A simple example of these: carrying a cloth bag to buy vegetables. If we don't carry a cloth bag, the vegetable vendors may give you separate plastic bags for each vegetable we buy. Choose products for which refills are available. Example: hand wash. Adopt stock management to minimize the generation of expired products or consumables. Use of paper can be reduced if paper is used on both sides for writing and printing, etc. Second is reuse. Products should be used for its fullest shelf life. It may or may not be suitable to use it for its original purpose, but it can serve many other useful purposes. Don't throw away items that are reusable. Reuse packaging materials like boxes and plastic bags. Buy reusable products such as rechargeable batteries. Use reused dishes and cups to avoid using paper cups. Ask suppliers to take back packaging materials for reuse. Third is recycle. When objects are recycled, the materials they were made from are reused. Recycling is sometimes referred to as resource recovery. There are two approaches to resource recovery: centralized resource recovery and source separation recycling. In a centralized system, the recyclable materials are collected, mixed, and then sent it to a central location to be stored and processed for recycling. The recyclable materials have to be separated into like materials such as steel, aluminium, glass, paper, and plastic. In a source separation recycling, the user separates the materials that are going to be recycled. This is only recommended when reducing and reusing are not possible. Donate old computers, electronic appliances, and furniture to charity and participate in the trial recovery program for computers and electronic appliances organized by the Environmental Protection Department. Separate scrap metal, wood, and plastic from industrial waste for recycling. Compost food and yard waste. Recycle grass by letting it decompose into the lawns when it returns nutrients to the soil. And the last one is recover. Waste should be seen as a potential resource. Recover component of 4R aims to use waste as a resource. Waste can be converted into resources such as electricity, heat, compost, and fuel through thermal and biological means. Few examples on how waste can be treated as a potential resource are given below. Generate electricity waste to energy concept. Heat stored in the gaseous emission can be used by using waste heat recovery boilers. Methane gas produced during decomposition of waste can be used as a fuel. Use kitchen waste in manufacturing of compost. These are some ways we protect our environment.